The first thing you do is to go to the Ubuntu's website and download Ubuntu's desktop version and save it to your computer. Then you should create a live USB disk. For this, you will need software to flash. There are different software out there, but I personally use Balena Etcher. Go to their website and download and install it. Now insert your USB drive and open up Balena Etcher and flash your disk from the file that you downloaded from the Ubuntu website. And voila, you now have a live USB. Now boot your system with this USB. If it didn't start automatically, on Windows you can press the F12 key and choose Install Ubuntu 22.04. Follow the instructions on the screen to install Ubuntu. After installation is complete, don't forget to update. The best way to do is update it by opening the terminal by Ctrl-Alt-T and then typing sudo apt update. Then check for updates to apply them by typing sudo apt upgrade. Now your Ubuntu is updated and ready to work. Ubuntu Terminal is a command line interface or CLI that comes pre-installed with the Ubuntu operating system and other Ubuntu-based Linux distributions. It allows users to interact with the system and execute various commands to perform tasks, manage files, configure settings, and more. You can open it by typing Ctrl-Alt-T. You can navigate the file system and access directories and files using commands like cd for change directory. For example, if you're in the home directory and we want to go to the music directory, we type cd music. And cd two dots goes back to the home directory. You can also use ls for listing directory contents. You can here see that by typing ls, I can see the contents of my directory. You can create a new folder in the selected directory by typing make directory and then the name of the directory that you want to create. You can also do this like what we do in other operating systems and using the GUI. For example, to create a text file in the music directory, you can type touch and then the name of the text file that you want, .txt. Ubuntu Terminal utilizes package managers like apt or advanced package tool to install, update, and remove software packages. We used this before to install and update the Ubuntu. So this was a really short introduction to the CLI, and you can see that it's pretty much easy and straightforward to work with it. You don't have to memorize any of these commands. You can just always Google them. And so it's pretty much easy and you can get the most of it for your robotics applications.